This is a brand new 2013 Honda Pilot. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a locking rear differential, 18-inch alloy wheels, and Hill Start Assist. The following features are also included: dual power seats, heater vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, front seat height-adjustable active head restraints, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.